Hello everyone, welcome to my class. We were discussing the second chapter of your history part of social science. It is growth of Indian nationalism, and we have already discussed the factors of Indian nationalism. We had found 4 factors, and today factor number 5. It is growth of political associations. So at first you have to know about Surendranath Banerjee. So he was the first ICS of India. He was the first ICS of India. ICS means what? Indian Civil Service. Indian Civil Service. So Surendranath Banerjee was the first ICS of India. He at first founded Indian Association in 1875. Surendranath Banerjee founded or established Indian Association in 1875, and 1876 the British government reduced the age for appearing Indian Civil Service examination from 21 years to 19 years. It was done by them intentionally, so that the Indians could not get the job easily, because the exams were held in England, and for a 19 years old youth, it was difficult to go to England and to appear exam and to get the job. And against the whole system, again Surendranath Banerjee organized an all Indian agitation. Against the whole system, the first ICS, Surendranath Banerjee, organized an all Indian agitation, and he was supported by so many Indians. And again, Mr. Ilbert, who was a law member of Viceroy's Council, moved a bill in the Legislative Assembly. And the bill enabled the Indian judges to try the Europeans in criminal cases. And so the Europeans reacted against the bill. And at the same time, Surendranath Banerjee created a movement in support of the bill. Surendranath Banerjee created a movement in support of the bill, and he got support for the Ilbert Bill. It was named as Ilbert Bill. And in 1883, Surendranath Banerjee convened Indian National Conference. Indian National Conference. In Calcutta. So the first ICS, Surendranath Banerjee, organized Indian National Conference in Calcutta, and it was the basis, it was the foundation of what? Indian National Congress. It was the foundation. Indian National Conference was the foundation of Indian National Congress. In short, INC. Okay. So now we will be discussing about Indian National Congress as a factor of growth of Indian nationalism. So Alan Octavian Hume, he was also a British person. He established Indian National Congress. And Indian National Congress was named as Indian National Congress in the congregation held at Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College Hall, Bombay in 1885. So in this meeting, the organization was named as Indian National Congress, and Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of Indian National Congress. Okay. At the early stages, Indian National Congress decided to work together and to work friendly with the British government. But the Indian Council Act of 1892 disappointed the members of Indian National Congress, and after this, the members of Indian National Congress decided to take the extreme part. And in 1905, there was a meeting of Indian National Congress. It was in where? Benares. Here, Bipin Chandra Pal, he was an important member of Indian National Congress. He urged to abandon political mendicancy. That means begging. Abandon means giving up. He urged that we should give up mendicancy. Mendicancy means begging. And make Swadeshi as their goal. That means we should use only the Indian things like Indian cloth and every Indian goods. And in Calcutta session in 1906, the session was presided over by Dadabhai Naoroji. Launched the Swadeshi movement. And finally, in 1906 session, Dadabhai Naoroji, he was the president of the session, launched the Swadeshi movement. And the another extremist members of INC were mainly known as Lal Bal Pal. They were known as the extremist member of Indian National Congress. Lal means Lala Lajpat Rai. Bal means Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Pal means Bipin Chandra Pal. So they were the extremist member of Indian National Congress. Extremist. Okay? Lal Bal Pal. And another extremist member was Aurobindo Ghosh. He was an extremist member. He spreaded the idea of Swadeshi among the Indians. Spreaded the idea of Swadeshi and Swaraj and national education among the Indians. So it was about Indian National Congress. Okay. Now we will be discussing about Dadabhai Naoroji as a factor of growth of Indian nationalism. So Dadabhai Naoroji was an important member of Indian National Congress, and he has been a member of the Indian National Congress since its inception, since its birth. Okay. Dadabhai Naoroji was a renowned teacher, and he was settled in London, and there he became a famous lawyer, successful lawyer. When he was at London, he was elected as a member of House of Commons, elected to the House of Commons, and he again elected in 1892 as the member of House of Commons. And he was the first Indian to become a member of House of Commons. Okay. When Dadabhai Naoroji was a member of House of Commons, he raised the issues related to the problems of India. The issues were mainly welfare for the poor people of India, abolition of the opium trade between India and China, and Indian money should be spent Indian money should not go outside India. It should be spent only in India and for the welfare of the Indian people. And the main thing about Dadabhai Naoroji is he presided over Indian National Congress for 3 times. When? In 1886, in 1893 and in 1906. And in 1906, Dadabhai Naoroji declared that the goal of INC was attainment of Swaraj. Swaraj means independence. Yes, the goal of Indian National Congress was to attain Swaraj. That means independence. Okay. So it was about Dadabhai Naoroji. So in this class, we have discussed about 3 factors of growth of Indian nationalism: political associations, and INC, it is Indian National Congress, and lastly Dadabhai Naoroji. These all are the factors of growth of Indian nationalism. So in the whole chapter, growth of Indian nationalism, we had found so many factors which are responsible for creating the feeling of nationalism in the minds of Indians. And it helped the Indians to get independence from the domination of British in 1947. So the chapter has been finished. And in the next class, I will give you some question answers from your exercise. Okay, it is the time to leave you. Goodbye. Thank you.